one we've got brewing for you today. It's time for the annual battle between the Canes and the Knowles. And now we bring you the coin toss, and it's presented by Nissan. Innovation that excites. Miami will be kicking off, and you can just feel the energy in the air for this opening kickoff. He's to the 10, and he's taken down at the 13-yard line.
Well, that's just great kickoff coverage right there, and you can see a lot of emotion on the field right now.
Now the offense gets ready to take their first crack at it. Goes left and tackled in a hurry.
The offensive line needs to do a better job of not only handling the defensive linemen, but getting up to the linebackers. That way the ball carriers will have a little bit more room to get to that second level.
We've got a 2nd and 11. Ball on the 13-yard line.
Check 59. Yellow 87. Check 87. Yellow 7. Check. Motion.
He airs it out. Big catch there as they knock him out of bounds.
I'd go right back to him. He's got the skills to make things happen, and the defense might not be able to keep up at this moment.
So after the big pass play, we've got a first down.
It's our time. Check 59. Mike is 59.
Tackle made at the 49-yard line. We've played one. This one's scoreless.
That brings up 2nd and 13.
We're all tied up, and more action coming, hopefully, here in quarter number 2.
Check 59. Mike. He's down.
And he's sacked. They get to the quarterback and end that play before it even got started.
This young man didn't even have a chance to make something happen. It's tough to find your receivers when the defense is in your face like that.
So the sack makes this 3rd and very long.
4 down. Check 59. Mike is 59. Mike to 59. Kill. Yellow 87. Check. Watch the motion. Yellow 87.
He passes it. In the air. It's intercepted.
Number 2 with the interception.
That is exactly the kind of play you want to see from a safety. He needs to be able to read the play and then make the interception.
From their own 31-yard line. First down.
Back 22.
Going long. And down he goes at the 28-yard line. So on first down, they go to the air and pick up huge yardage.
Well, that was just a well-executed play. They picked a perfect time to stretch the defense with a passing play, and it worked.
Here we go.
job here by the defense. If you let this quarterback set and throw, he'll kill you all game. But they got excellent pressure on that play.
So they decide to bring the kicker out to try to get 3 points before the half ends. He gets it up, and it's long enough, and he got it. Low-scoring first half of play, but a close game. 3-0, Miami.
We played 30 minutes. Glad to have you with us on the EA Sports NCAA Football 14 halftime show presented by Nissan. Innovation that excites. David Pollack and I here in the studio to break down everything that just happened in your game. We've been looking forward to this game all week, and it has lived up to billing. A close game. You feel like that it's going to be a great second half, and boy, we've got the perfect guys in the booth. What a reward today for Nestler and Herbstreit to get this game.
Well, you know, it's not a secret, Reese. They get the best game every week that we think's on the schedule, right? So they got this great. It's great. It's close. It's going back and forth. I mean, what a treat to watch one of the best games of the year just unfolding in front of us. And more importantly, to hear the silky smooth sounds of Kirk Herbstreit and Brad Nestler. Does it get any better?
Just about time to get you back out for the second half. Brad and Kirk will be along in just a second. You're looking forward to keeping an eye on everything around the country here. Got a good games going.
We're locked and loaded. We got all the big screens going. You're going to be looking to hand out some helmet stickers later. Yeah, we loaded, man.
I'll try. You think you can keep on your shoes in the second half?
I'll try to. Are they stinky?
Yes. Brad and Kirk, you're at a safe distance. Take it away.
All right, Reese and David, welcome back, everybody. Just about set to start the second half. Sends it sailing downfield. This one's going to be down in the end zone for a touchback. They're set to go for another round. Miami holds a field goal lead. Pulls down the catch, and he's got room here. And he's tackled right around the 46-yard line.
Number 6 makes the tackle at the 46-yard line. First down.
Florida State's going to take their first time out of the half. From the 46-yard line, it's first down.
Let's go! Green and
Nice run, and he's brought down. Florida State will take their second time out of the half. Second down and 6. Ball on the 42-yard line. Quick throw out to the receiver, incomplete.
That could have been a huge shift in momentum if they were able to hold on to that one. Wow, that was close.
3rd and 6.
Down now, and they need to get it down to the 36. Miami is up a field goal. And he can't get away from the pressure. The Seminoles using their third and final timeout.
Man, these guys can be aggressive. When you stand back there and take hits like that, you definitely are going to feel it the next day.
Doesn't want to let the punt returner have a chance here. He just wants to change field position. And this one is a beauty. This one's going to be down in the end zone for a touchback. There's still plenty of time to keep running their offense as usual here. I don't think they need to feel any anxiety about trailing. Throws to the tailback, incomplete.
Number 8, the intended receiver on the play. That makes it 2nd and 10.
From their own 20-yard line. 2nd down. He's on the run. Quarterback's going to run it, and he's got room to work. That's a great tackle at the 34-yard line. They'll get the first down.
He made the correct decision to tuck it and go.
Makes it 1st and 10.
And they get nice yardage on that run.
That's a gain of 7 on the play. That'll bring up 2nd and 3.
2nd down, and they're going to need about 3 yards to pick up the first down.
Check 59. Mike is 59. 59.
Brilliant work by both defenses through 3 quarters of play. Who can open it up in the 4th quarter? Whoever does has got a great chance to win. The Hurricanes in front, 3-0. All right, we're just about set to start action here again in the 4th quarter. We have less than a minute to go. Fires out to his receiver. He gets hit out of bounds at the 40-yard line.
That is a loss of 1 yard. That makes it 3rd and 3.
3rd down, and they're going to need about 3 yards to pick up the first down.
Check 3.
Wants to go long and does. Completes. It's the junior, and it's a whole new ball game. Unbelievable emotion after that score because now they've got the lead and they know that they can win this game in regulation. And he hits the PAT. A 5-play, 81-yard drive, and they come away with 7 points.
Brad, I thought that was a textbook drive. I thought they did a really good job of showing balance, mixing the play calling with the run and the pass. Just an overall well-executed touchdown drive.
He's to the 10. Brought down at the 21-yard line. Miami's coaches have got to be confident in the fact that they've got a star player in a tight situation.
And there's nothing better than having a quarterback you have confidence in these kind of situations. You know he's going to make the right read. He's going to give his receivers a chance to make a play on the ball. And they're going to have a really good chance of moving the ball down the field to have a shot to win this game.
Here we are late in the 4th quarter in a very important and a very tight football game. And who's going to come to the forefront? We'll see who's got the most leadership.
Watch the motion.
Quick pass. And they make the stop at the 36.
That's a gain of 15 on the play. 1st down.
Under a minute left.
Check. Ready.
Throws complete. He's got space to work. Tackle around the 43-yard line.
call it a gain of 7 yards. That'll bring up 2nd and 3.
Four down. Mike 22, he's coming. 22's coming. Mike. Check. Snake eyes. Snake eyes. Let's go.
I love the toughness here by this quarterback of sitting in until the last second, trying to make a play downfield, only to have this defense get to him. He's got to do a better job maybe feeling things out a little bit, but at least he has the awareness and a toughness to sit in that pocket.
They need about 3 yards to get the first down here on 3rd down. Well, after that injury, we'll get to see the backup quarterback here. Looks like they didn't get the play off quick enough.
Delay of game, offense.
They'll give this one another try after the flag.
And on 3rd down, too, that's when you don't want those kind of things to happen.
It's 3rd down and long, and losing by a possession, I would expect them to have to go to the air. Well, a lot of frustration by that offense, but you've got to give the defense credit for coming up with a stop in this quarter in a game this close.
Makes it 4th and 8. Number 17.
It's 4th down, and the offense is getting set to go for it.
3 down. That's 22. Regular. 36. Regular.
Intercepted, and I think I can hear the fat lady singing. He's taken down at about the 45. He steps up and makes a big turnover.
Yeah, he just made a huge play right there. He knew what was coming all along.
Two times. 4 down.
Florida State is up by 4.
2-19.
He's tackled at the 44-yard line. So this one's final. Very well played by both teams today. 7-3 FSU. As we wrap this game up, Kirk, what final thoughts do you want to share?
They've talked about the rivalry all week long, and for good reason. We saw the intensity down on the field every play, and it showed us why these teams love to hate each other. It'll be interesting to see how this game carries over to the next time they play.
So that wraps things up for us. For EA Sports and Kirk Herbstreit, I'm Brad Nessler saying thanks, and we'll see you next time.